I have an iGovern BP5013001M 71 BLC 03HE. When I switch it on, I get an error code due F101. Could you please tell me what the error code is and what part I need to replace? Thanks, Leisa.
Hello and thanks for using this service. If you have been waiting, do not worry or get upset. I am Appliance HVAC Guru, a very experienced tech on here, and I try to get to as many customers as I can. I just picked up your question now. Please allow time for me to respond. Sometimes I get the questions or responses late, so please be patient as I have no control over the site issues. Note, I have nothing to do with your payment to the site and did not receive that money. Do you mean F10? Not F101.
No, my appliance says F101. I am including a photo.
Does that come on right away when plugged in?
It does. I have turned the main power off and waited, then switched it back on. I still get the error. Frown.
Yes, that is a main controller fault. The error means primary hardware failure on clock controller. You need to replace the clock control on the unit. The only way I receive any credit at all for my time is by you selecting a star using the 5-star or voting rating system at the top of your page before you leave for me, so please make sure you are rating me, not another tech. If you are not happy with the service, please let me know before leaving a negative rating. This will also allow you to get directly back to me for free follow-up questions, and tips are greatly appreciated. Thanks, Guru.
Thank you for your prompt responses. Do you by any chance have the part number I need? And yes, I will give you 5 because you've been a big help.
Lookups are hard for that unit for the parts. Just contact this place and they can find it for you. Click here.
Thanks again, you've been a tremendous help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.